Hello, I am Abdul Bari, registration number 19BC2271, and I'm here to present my project. And the project title is Billing Counter. So the project is on supermarket billing. Supermarket is a place where customer come to purchase their daily products and pay for that. In this project, operator enters the market and buy some product, and we enter the name and unique ID for the operator register under supervisor, and then we generate a bill for the customer. And supervisor and admin will have separate login ID and PIN through which they can access their accounts. So this is the problem introduction, and the project design is based on the billing mechanism in the supermarket. The common problem that a billing counter usually experience and corresponding solution that I have proposed in this project involve that there are three level of users: admin, operator, and admin, supervisor, and operator. So this software is a single software which is designed such that it incorporate all the level of user with the whole package. And the transparency, this project gives total transparency at all the level of hierarchy, and enough information is disclosed to the user which he deserves to know. And the next problem is that the calculations, the one can face the calculation which has made very simpler and inbuilt. And last is there can be huge error occurring in the tally when telling the data manually. Uh, so this project overcome this. There has to be some method of or software etc. so that everything can be organized in systematically. So the purpose of the billing counter system is software is to ease the billing management and customer management, and to create a convenient and easy to use application for the worker for the shopping mart as well as the customer of the mart. And the system is based on the relational database with its billing management and selling of the product function. We will have a database server supporting various level of hierarchy in the mart, that is from administrator of the operator of to the operator of the mart, as well as the report tally of the product sell to the customer. Above all, we hope to prove a comfortable user experience along with the best user friendly option available. Next, this is the scope statement. The aim is to make a fast processing with good user interface billing software. Objective: to manage the billing data without error for future use. Applicability: to be used in any supermarket or mall. And the combined scope statement is to make software fast in processing with good user interface so that user can change it, and it should be used for a long time without error and maintenance for a supermarket. So the process model I have used to develop this project is incremental model. Since requirements are known upfront and project is having lengthy development schedules, and for quick release of the product, error are easily to be recognized and easier to test and debug, more flexible and simple to manage risk because it handled during its iteration. These are the stakeholder. They are main four stakeholder that I used in my project, that are admin, supervisor, operator, and customer. The requirements with respect to stakeholders are an admin is a higher priority who holds the authority to manage the working of the entire supermarket. Also, admin is in charge of all the supervisor working in the supermarket, and admin has an authority to alter the data of both supervisor and operator. A supervisor is a medium priority which manage the staff and operator. A supervisor is a billing scenario. In a billing scenario, can alter and update the data of the operator if required. Also, supervisor keep the record of the sale made timely, and he can alter and update the data of an operator. An operator is a person who is medium priority and has a record of billing of all products brought by any customer in the supermarket. An operator has authority to make changes to only his or her personal detail. And a customer is beneficially a high priority, which can be any person who has made a purchase of a particular product and has made his or her entry in the data handled by an operator. The viewpoint is data centric, since the data is primary and permanent assets, and describes the way that the architecture stores, manipulates, manage, and distributes information. The ultimate purpose of virtually any computer system is to manipulate information in some form, and this viewpoint develops a complete but high level view of static data structure and information flow. This is the system model ER diagram. Here customer purchases product and customer has customer name and customer ID, and product has product number and price. And the operator, the admin has the admin name and admin ID, and it manages supervisor. It has one to many relationship because one admin can manage many supervisors, and supervisor has supervisor name, supervisor ID, and it manages operator, and it has one to many relations, as one supervisor can manage many operators. An operator has operator ID, operator name, date of birth, and address, and creates bill given to the customer uh, according to the detail the customer has given. Okay, so this is the architectural design where customer gives customer name, product, and cost to the billing counter system, and it generates the billing counter, and admin login to the system, and it has it is at a higher priority, and it has an option to block operator or block supervisor. This is the deployment diagram. So the client tier, the web browser where the admin supervisor can log in the software, and in the web tier user interface, there the date the the whole working done here, and the in the application tier the business logic layer is there, and data access layer is there, and this is the data tier, which is the backend SQL server stores procedures, and this is a database where the information are stored. These are the test cases. So the operator ID, it should be integer and cannot be a string, float, and double, and quantity should be a integer. It cannot be a negative, it cannot be a string, and the rate, it should be a whole number. It can be a decimal, it can be it cannot be negative, and it cannot be a type of string. And product name, it is a string and cannot have special characters. These are the sample screenshot of the user interface of register admin and login. So the registration required programmer key, username, PIN, and admin ID. And for login, you're given a choice to select from admin and supervisor, the username, the PIN, and login. So thank you. This is my project.